Bonjour and welcome to the second episode of the French verb series. Today we are going to look at the verb avoir. Le verbe avoir au présent de l'indicatif. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. On a, we have. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. Now let's look at the usage of the verb avoir in some sentences. Nous avons deux chats. We have two cats. Les vampires ont de longues dents pointues. Vampires have long and sharp teeth. Ils ont des masques et des désinfectants. They have masks and sanitizers. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss the upcoming episodes of the French verb series, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until then, au revoir et à bientôt.